helped me get through my trials. I feel like sharing it to other people, maybe somebody needs to hear this today. One of my main things is comparison is the thief of joy. Before my accident in high school, I always was comparing myself, as everybody does, just being a teenage girl, and I just never felt like that was enough. After being paralyzed, my comparison shifted to a whole nother level. Went to a hospital for rehab, and there was a man there. I had no function at this time, like could not move anything. It was a really hard time for me. But this guy, while I was there, was doing rehab. He comes up to me and my mom and starts bawling, and he's like, I just walked 10 steps. We start crying because it was such a happy moment for him, and only 10 steps, but 10 steps is huge in an injury like this. Instead of me being mad that I'm not walking, I cried for him and I was happy for him. There's so many people with my injury that are walking, but there's so many people that never got any function back. There's so many people that are like me. It's such a broad injury that I would die if I literally compared myself to every person. So I stopped comparing myself, and it's my journey, nobody else's. So instead of me being back in high school where I'm comparing myself to different girls, and I'm comparing myself to people that are walking and people that are moving their hands. I share this because no matter at what point you are in your life, it's really important to remember that you are enough. There's so many things that people go through, and I think it's very, very important to remember you are on your own journey. It is nobody else's, and it's just yours. I feel like I am worth just as much as anybody else. It's just changed my life. So yeah, that's just